Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an exercise that packs a powerful punch, the lunge. Specifically, we're going to explore why incorporating 10 lunges into your daily routine can be a game changer for your fitness journey. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our empowering fitness content. Let's step up to the challenge. 1. Lunges for leg strength. First and foremost, lunges are phenomenal for building leg strength. When you perform a lunge, you engage your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Doing 10 lunges every day gradually increases the strength of these muscle groups, leading to better balance and stability. 2. Improved posture. Host, believe it or not, lunges can significantly improve your posture. Regular lunges strengthen the muscles in your lower back, which are crucial for maintaining an upright posture. So, those 10 daily lunges are a step towards standing tall and proud. 3. Enhanced flexibility. Lunges are excellent for enhancing flexibility. As you lunge forward and downward, you stretch your hip flexors and improve your range of motion. Over time, this can lead to more fluid and effortless movements. 4. Core activation. Lunges aren't just about your legs, they also engage your core muscles. Your abdominal muscles work to stabilize your body during the lunge, contributing to a stronger core and improved balance. 5. Cardiovascular benefits. Surprisingly, lunges can also provide cardiovascular benefits, especially when done in a high-intensity fashion. Adding 10 lunges to your daily routine can elevate your heart rate, contributing to better overall cardiovascular health. 6. Functional fitness. Lunges are a functional exercise, meaning they mimic movements you do in everyday life, like climbing stairs or bending down to pick something up. By doing them daily, you're preparing your body for these real-world activities. 7. Boosted metabolism. An elevated heart rate from lunges also means a boosted metabolism. This can help with weight management and may contribute to fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. 8. Mental toughness. Let's not forget the mental benefits. Committing to 10 lunges every day can instill a sense of discipline and mental toughness. It's a daily fitness ritual that can lead to improved self-confidence. 9. Variety in fitness. Lunges provide variety in your fitness routine. They're easy to incorporate into your daily life and can be done almost anywhere, making it simple to keep your exercise routine fresh and exciting. 10. Injury prevention. Lastly, lunges can help prevent injuries. By strengthening key muscle groups, you're better equipped to support your joints, reducing the risk of common injuries, especially in the knees and hips. Conclusion. In conclusion, the simple act of doing 10 lunges every day can have a profound impact on your overall health and fitness. It's a small investment of time and effort that pays significant dividends in terms of strength, posture, flexibility, and mental well-being. If you're up for the challenge, start incorporating 10 lunges into your daily routine and witness the transformation in your fitness journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fitness buddies, and subscribe for more empowering fitness insights. If you're interested in discovering how to flatten your belly quickly, then don't wait. Watch the video on the screen now for all the tips and tricks you need. If you have questions or want to share your lunge success stories, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep lunging and stay fit.